Ladies and gentlemen, South Africa's economy has shown remarkable resilience over the past year. GDP growth is projected at 1.6% for 2025, supported by stronger manufacturing output, better logistics, and a greater energy stability. Exports grew by nearly 5% in 2024, driven by higher value products in automotive, mineral processing, and agriculture. Business confidence has steadily improved, reflecting investor optimism in our economic reforms. The South African Chamber of Commerce and Industry's Business Confidence Index has shown steady recovery, averaging 115 points in mid-2025, reflecting optimism about our economic reforms and investor confidence. Our Energy Action Plan continues to attract investment in renewable energy, battery storage, and green hydrogen. All of these areas offer immense opportunities for Turkish collaboration and core manufacturing. Looking ahead, we want to deepen this partnership not only through trade, but through shared industrial innovation, technology, and skills transfer and development. Turkey's expertise in advanced manufacturing, combined with South Africa's infrastructure and young, skilled workforce, creates an ideal foundation for cooperation in the fourth industrial revolution.